Hey everyone, I welcome you all on behalf of my teammates. In the last video, we discussed the problem statement, and in this video, we will discuss the solutions to that problem. And my teammates will discuss the solutions one by one.
Hello friends, on behalf of my team, I am here with solution 1, that is for physical inactivity. Physical activity does not mean that it has to be vigorous or done for a long period in order to improve our health. We can easily eradicate physical inactivity by just preferring walking rather than going for other things. Some suggestions to build walking into our daily routine includes: take the stairs instead of lift, get off public transport and stop earlier to walk home or office. Don't drive. We can walk to the local shop. But let's face this. Majority of us would easily choose to take escalators and elevator over stairs as it is convenient and faster. So, on considering this, our team has proposed a solution. There must be something interesting or in favor of people that would force us to opt for stairs. So for this, the staircases in supermarkets, malls, platforms, of course not in all, but in some of them or in the longest one, we could have one weight machine or pulse machine in it after the halfway, so that people will prefer stairs. It can be initiated by Indian Railway local government body or any welfare group. Also in supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, they could have stair lifters for elderly and handicapped people, so that other people will easily go for stairs when there is no option left with them. As because walking has many benefits, make walking a routine in your daily life. We can make walking more interesting by exploring what's going on around you. Notice the sky, the people, and the sounds. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm here to discuss the solutions to our problem statement. Good nutrition, daily exercise and adequate sleep are foundation of healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle keeps you fit, energetic and at lower risk of disease. According to WHO, healthy living is a way of living that helps you enjoy more aspects of your life. Here are some steps you can follow to manage a healthy lifestyle. Be conscious of your diet. Engage in things you are passionate about. Maintain a regular exercise routine. Reduce sitting and screen time. Look to optimize your sleep. We all are aware of the importance of sleep in our lives and what sleep deprivation can do to us. Our sleep cycle is divided into light and deep stages, and especially when you are experiencing a deep sleep, you would not want anything to disturb your state. The technology by the name of Sleep Tracker Watch detects in which state of sleep you are and only wakes you up when you are at light stage, thereby allowing you to have a good night's sleep. Upon waking up, you will find your energy levels fully rejuvenated. Thank you.
Well, we live in a society wherein we need to interact with each other, especially in the time of crisis, and more prominently, either we or near and dears are in trouble. That directly or indirectly leads to stressful life and put humans in a pool of stress. You all know people help more when they are in good mood, and good mood means absence of stress. For example, we ask our parents to use car only when we think they are in positive mood rather than a negative one. In different environments or situation, our mood or stress level tends to change accordingly. There was a time when we used music and other outside stimulants such as caffeine to alter our mood to set our pace with time. The value of mood has been successfully understood by a London-based tech startup Doppel that has brought wearable tech to help users stay alert and calm down in real time. It is a wristband which can easily change our mood using our body's natural response of rhythm. As I said, it is a wristwatch that sits on our wrist, and when we tap or stroke the device to regulate the rhythm, a faster one makes us feel more alert. On the other hand, slower one calms us down. It is just like upbeat and downbeat of music that alters our mood. Many researchers have proven that slow tempo result in calm and positive emotional states that lower anxiety level, whereas Fast rhythm is being associated with emotions like joy, excitement, and surprise. No doubt, there are other means like meditation, sleeping aids, involving in physical activities, or using some stimulants that control an area of mood or level of stress. But technology provides a better solution to cause the same changes in no time in the fast world, and that too in a manageable way. So I can say using the technology we can design a world to get the response we want from ourselves. Thank you.
Good morning. Here I am introducing you to our new app named Pedometer. This app helps you to stay fit and healthy by giving new targets of everyday step count and helps you to burn calories. After reaching a certain number of steps, you will get coins which will help you to make purchase of goods online. Further information about this app will be available in our next video. Thank you.